When it comes to camping, emergency situations, or just wanting a little extra flexibility in the kitchen, a portable gas stove can be a total game changer. Whether you're out in the wilderness, dealing with a blackout at home, or simply hosting a backyard cookout, having a reliable, easy-to-use gas stove makes all the difference. Today, I'm walking you through 7 of the best portable gas stoves with cartridge systems that are perfect for camping or backup use at home, and truly some of the best options you'll find for Europe. All the links to these stoves are right there in the video description if you want to check them out for yourself. Let's dive in. Starting us off strong is the Elf-Monkey Portable Gas Stove, and I have to say, this kit is seriously impressive. It doesn't just come with the stove itself, it actually includes a full set of 8 butane gas cartridges plus a sturdy carrying case. That's a huge convenience right out of the box, especially if you're planning an extended trip or want to set it and forget it back up at home. What really makes the Elf-Monkey stand out is its built-in overheat protection, offering a big safety boost compared to basic models. It heats up quickly, maintains a stable flame, and the compact design makes it super easy to pack and transport. Now, the construction feels sturdy enough for casual use, but it might not be the best pick for heavy-duty daily outdoor cooking. Overall, this is a fantastic starter kit, especially if you want something that's ready to go with zero hassle. If you're new to portable stoves, this is the easiest way to get everything you need in one shot. While the Elf-Monkey is all about convenience and safety, the AMIG Camp 01 shifts the focus more towards rugged simplicity. This stove is built tough, with a design that's clearly made for real-world camping environments. One thing I immediately noticed is how stable it feels on uneven surfaces, which can make a world of difference when you're trying to cook in the wild. It doesn't have some of the bells and whistles like automatic ignition, but it fires up reliably and handles everything from quick boiling to slow simmering. Plus, the solid stainless steel construction gives you confidence that it'll hold up over time. If you want something that just works even when the weather doesn't, the AMIG CAMP01 is a no-nonsense choice. It's also noticeably more compact than the Elf-Monkey, trading some bundled extras for a lighter, more streamlined setup. If space in your backpack matters more to you than fancy extras, keep this one on your list. Speaking of user-friendly designs, the EvoCamp portable gas stove really steps things up with a built-in piezoelectric ignition system. No matches, no lighters, just a simple press to get the flame going, even when it's windy. It's compatible with standard 227-gram butane cartridges, and it even comes with a transport case for easy portability. One thing I particularly appreciate about the EvoCamp is how well it balances power and efficiency. It heats up fast without guzzling gas, which can be a real money saver over longer trips. The only slight downside is that it's a bit bulkier compared to the AMIG Camp 01, so it might not be the first choice for ultralight campers. But if you prioritize quick starts and easy handling over minimal weight, the EvoCamp is definitely worth a serious look. If you're the kind of person who doesn't want to fight with matches in the wind, this is made for you. Now, if you're looking for something a little different, the Trespass portable gas stove brings a unique twist with its integrated ignition gastro system. What does that mean for you? Basically, it's engineered for instant and highly stable ignition, even in less than ideal conditions. I have to say, the engineering on this model is impressive. It lights up almost effortlessly and provides a consistent flame that's perfect for both quick meals and slow cooking. It's a little heavier than the EvoCamp, but that extra weight translates into extra stability, especially when you're cooking with larger pots or heavier pans. Compared to the Elf-Monkey, the Trespass feels more serious and long-lasting, but it lacks bundled accessories like extra gas cartridges. If your priority is a rock-solid, no-fail cooking experience above all else, the Trespass deserves a top spot. While the Trespass stove leans heavily into performance, the Pure 4-Home Folding Gas Stove takes a different route by prioritizing portability and space-saving design. This one folds down to a surprisingly compact size, making it perfect for minimalist campers or folks who need to save every centimeter of space. Despite its small footprint, it packs a punch with a 2,600-watt output, and like the others, uses the MSF1, a type cartridge. Imagine you're out camping, your backpack is tight, and you need a stove that fits without sacrificing power. This is exactly where the Pure 4-Home shines. It doesn't feel quite as robust as the Trespass model when fully unfolded, and you'll need to be a little careful setting it up on very uneven ground, but the trade-off in weight savings and portability is absolutely worth it for many users. If you're choosing mainly based on space and weight, this stove should be at the top of your list. Moving into dual burner territory, the Lola Home double gas stove offers a completely different cooking experience. When looking at this model closely, I immediately appreciated the stainless steel finish, the spacious cooking area, and the fact that it gives you two burners powered individually by standard 227-gram cartridges. Having two burners means you can cook a full meal at once, boil pasta on one side, fry veggies on the other, without waiting around. Perfect for family camping trips or longer outings where one burner cooking just isn't enough. Now, it's a bit on the bulky side, and notably, it doesn't come with a carry case, so transportation takes a little more planning. But the 62 by 28 by 12 centimeter footprint and solid stainless steel build more than make up for it if you want something close to a real kitchen setup in the outdoors. If you're thinking about cooking for 2 or more people regularly, the Lola Home might be your smartest move. Finally, we come to the Starlet 24 Portable Gas Stove, a great all-arounder that finds a sweet spot between size, performance, and ease of use. This model fires up reliably, maintains a steady flame, and feels very solid when handling medium-sized pots and pans. It doesn't have the highest output or the fanciest features, but what it does offer is dependable performance at a very attractive price point. It uses standard MSF 1A 227-gram cartridges, comes with a carry case, and even includes 4 cartridges to get you started. Imagine setting this up during a backyard barbecue or a sudden power cut. You'll have hot food without breaking a sweat. If you mainly want something inexpensive and reliable for occasional use, this is an excellent pick. So, let's wrap it up with a quick guide to help you choose. If you want a complete starter kit that's ready to use immediately, the Elf Monkey with its included cartridges is a no-brainer. It's the ideal pick if you don't want to worry about buying anything extra to get started. If rugged durability and simplicity matter more, the AMIG CAMP-01 is the way to go. Choose this one if you expect tougher conditions or need something super reliable outdoors. For anyone prioritizing quick ignition and no-fuss handling, the EvoCamp and Trespass both offer top-tier performance, but the Trespass gives you that extra bit of heavy-duty feel. If you plan to cook with bigger pots or in harsher environments, the Trespass is definitely worth considering. If portability and weight are your biggest concerns, you should seriously consider the Pure 4 Home folding model. It's a perfect match for hikers, backpackers, or anyone who needs to pack light. If you're cooking for a family or planning group meals outdoors, the Lola Home's double burner design is unmatched. It really feels like bringing a mini kitchen with you wherever you go. And if you're just after great value without sacrificing performance, the Starlet 24 covers all the essentials. It's especially great if you just need a simple, affordable backup stove for occasional use. Remember, all the product links are in the description below if you want to check prices, see full specs, or pick one up for your next adventure. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more practical gear reviews just like this. Thanks for watching and happy cooking out there!